Alright, we're drawing teams for Prospectus Maximus, number 3. Lots of jumbo in here. 2014 Bowman Jumbo, 2014 Bowman Draft Jumbo, 2014 Bowman Chrome Jumbo, 2014 Bowman Sterling, 2014 Leaf Trinity. 8 boxes total. Good luck. Where is that die? Now I got the new die. I can't find it. There it is. Here we go. 27 spots with 3 combos. Two spots, 2 times, 2 things. Why does that keep happening? Look away and it like makes it look like that, or funky like. Alright, anyway, Stupor on the top, Ray 85 on the bottom. 1 and 2. JT 1923 number 1, J Addison number 27. And on to the teams. Angels on top, Yankees on the bottom. Good luck. 1. Second and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 2. The Angels on top, Giants on the bottom. So you say to do that, we should just do 2 different breaks. I don't know why you'd say that'd be an awesome break. Just do 1 break NT baseball, 1 break NT basketball. Do the same thing anyway. Join them both. Good luck. JT 1923, the Angels. Steve-O, Red Sox. Reds West is best, Braves. Ray 85, Reds. Vinny Vegas, Cardinals. Hashtag ignore Janikowski, Phillies. Webb Jr., Rangers. JB, the Yankees. Double O King, Indians. Stupor, Royals. Dying Marv, Pirates. Hortano Kili, Dodgers. Red Sox rule the Mariners. Lunicus, Astros. Findiz, the Marlins. Erica 2408, Athletics and Brewers. Joey G 2323, the Padres. Scotchy Black and Red, the Mets. Joey G, the Blue Jays. Bookie, the White Sox. Floby, the D-backs and Orioles. Mr. Vasquez, Rays and Tigers. Hood 1760, Nationals. B-More 08, the Cubs. Steve-O, the Rockies. Code Blue Cards, Twins, and J Addison, Giants. There you go. Start trading.